Mastering root cause identification. We're lost without a problem to solve. Why do we need to identify the underlying problem statement that we are trying to solve, and what specific issue are we attempting to address? Root cause identification, a crucial step towards operational excellence. Identifying the root cause of a problem is a critical step in resolving issues and achieving operational excellence. It involves digging deep to uncover the underlying reasons behind a problem, rather than just treating its symptoms. This approach enables organizations to develop targeted solutions that address the core issue, leading to long-term benefits and sustained improvement. The root cause identification process typically begins with a problem statement, which defines the issue that needs to be addressed. The problem statement should be specific, measurable, and clearly articulated to ensure that everyone involved in the process is on the same page. For instance, reduce the defect rate in the manufacturing process is a vague problem statement, whereas reduce the number of defective products from 10% to 2% within the next 6 months is a more specific and actionable one. Once the problem statement is defined, the next step is to gather data and information related to the issue. This involves collecting relevant metrics, conducting observations, and interviewing stakeholders and team members. The goal is to gather enough data to understand the problem's scope, impact, and underlying causes. The data gathering process should be systematic and structured to ensure that all relevant information is captured. A useful tool for data gathering is the 5 whys method, which involves asking iterative questions to drill down to the root cause of the problem. For example, why are we experiencing a high defect rate in the manufacturing process? Answer: because the machines are not properly calibrated. Why are the machines not properly calibrated? Answer: because the calibration process is not well documented and training is inadequate. Why is the calibration process not well documented and training inadequate? Answer: because the quality control team has not prioritized this task, and resources are limited. By continuing to ask why, the 5 whys method helps to uncover the underlying causes of the problem, which can be used to develop targeted solutions. Another useful tool for root cause identification is the fishbone diagram, also known as the Ishikawa diagram or cause and effect diagram. This diagram is used to identify and organize possible causes of a problem, grouping them into categories such as equipment, materials, people, and environment. The fishbone diagram provides a visual representation of the possible causes and their relationships, making it easier to identify the root cause of the problem. In addition to these tools, other techniques such as SWOT analysis, failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, and root cause analysis, RCA, can also be used to identify the underlying causes of a problem. Once the root cause of the problem has been identified, the next step is to develop and implement solutions to address it. This may involve changes to processes, procedures, or policies, as well as investments in training, equipment, or technology. It is essential to validate the solutions by monitoring their effectiveness and making adjustments as needed. Root cause identification is a critical component of operational excellence, as it enables organizations to address problems at their core, rather than just treating their symptoms. By adopting a structured approach to root cause identification, organizations can develop targeted solutions that lead to long-term benefits, such as improved quality, increased efficiency, and reduced costs.